Hey! You don't wear your mask! God, get a fine!
Jesus, okay, alright.
Boy, if you don't get... You're not wearing a mask!
Hi, Donna. What? What'd you say? What? Okay.
Done.
Wrong person.
Okay. Done!
Yeah. Okay, nice.
A few moments later.
Disclaimer: no masks were harmed in the making of this video.
Hey, miss. Hey, miss. Hey, miss.
Are you sick and tired of seeing couples around your school? No matter how hard you try, they are everywhere. Don't want to see your bad test scores? We have a solution for you. The Fogmaster 3000, the innovative way to block out those annoying couples. Just put on the Fogmaster 3000 and let it do its job. Hurry and get yours today.
Thanks guys for watching. Did you enjoy our video?
If you did, don't be afraid to drop us a comment down below.
Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Click here to check out more similar videos.
And click here to see our last video.
If you're in the US, head to sactutoring.net.
If you're in Australia, head over to sactutoring.com.